Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here, back today with another daily crypto update. I'm going to be going over, the general market, the altcoins, kind of give you an update on what's been going on in the past couple hours, and then a technical analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and I'm going to be adding Ripple to this video. I got some requests of people wanting to see Ripple added to the daily crypto videos, and that's fine. I'm going to do that. I did Neo yesterday. I'm not going to do it in this video, but if you want me to see, if you want to see Neo technical analysis on every daily crypto update video, let me know, and I'll gladly do it. But with that being said, everyone, we're going to get right into this. As per usual, Coinbase, if you haven't purchased cryptocurrencies yet, link in the description. They're the guys I use, and I highly recommend them, so go check them out. With that being said, everyone, let's get right into this. So what's been going on with, the main three here in the past couple hours? Well, a bit of a pullback, which is what I had predicted in my last daily video. So, I'm happy that I've been accurate with my, technical analysis, daily technical analysis videos, because you see now it gives me some credibility, that I know what I'm talking about. I've been very accurate in the past couple days, and yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. So basically, a bit of a pullback, Litecoin down, a little more than 5%. Ethereum down 5%, and Bitcoin, relatively flat, but a bit down as well. If we take a look at the general market here, we can see that a lot of red, relatively mixed, but more red than green. Ripple having a pretty bad day here, minus 9%. There's a couple that are having good days, Bitcoin Cash is up nicely, Neo as well. Stellar Lumens, obviously, after its big breakout yesterday. So, not all bad, but overall, I would say a pullback today. So, that's what I predicted, and we're going to get into the technical analysis here in just a second. So, moving on to Bitcoin, what's been going on? Well, as you can see, it broke its support level here, which was, the 5,693 area, broke below that, and that sent it lower here. So we're gonna see if it can hold this, let's see, low of 5,455. This is actually a pretty important area to see it hold, right? Because if we break below that, we could see it go, back to 5,000, to be honest. Yeah, there's pretty much no support until 5,000. If we break below that, like I said, $5,455 area. So pay attention to that. Okay, we'll see if it can go that low. Right now, it can still catch itself on the support, but like I said, if we break below that, we can expect it moving back down towards 5,000, which isn't the best thing, right? But if we look now at some of the indicators, the MACD is starting to turn over, so not great. Histogram already turned over, and the RSI now is sort of crashing downwards. So we'll see if it can bounce on the 70 line. If it fails the bounce, though, it could go lower. So overall, not the best news, but a pullback might be necessary here for Bitcoin, which is completely fine. But it is looking like maybe a bigger pullback is in play here. So probably a good buying opportunity, though. Let's see, now for Ethereum, we have, MACD is still looking good, so that's fine. We did actually fail the breakout here on the RSI, so it's still downtrending. Now, obviously, we have a little bit of a downtrend now that's confirmed in Ethereum. So if we take a look here, this is going to be our new area of resistance. So we want to see it hopefully break above this downtrend line now. But we are officially in a sort of a short-term downtrend here. I mean, to be fair, right, we do have a bit of a symmetrical triangle going on, actually, now that I pay more attention. Yeah, we have a bit of a symmetrical triangle going on, so this is going to probably break, in either direction very, very soon. We have let me just remove this for a second. We have this middle band, as you can see, this brown line over here, which is going to be the support level. So and you know, it pretty much is right in sync with the actual uptrend line. But it's, you know, with symmetrical triangle, what happens is that the price will bounce in between this triangle and then eventually either break above or break below, right? So we can't really say what's going to happen as of right now, because it could really be either or. So yeah, I guess we just have to wait and see, but it's going to be pretty soon here, within the next couple of days for sure. I think we're going to see it break in either direction. So that'll kind of set the trend for the next couple, you know, maybe 2 weeks out, based on what happens here. Now Litecoin, let's see. So Litecoin, pretty big drop here for Litecoin, now down a little over 6%. I want to see it hold the $60 mark. I think that's really important. Now, let's see what's been going on with Litecoin. Now we have a bit of a downtrend going on the RSI. You know, and so that's something to pay attention to. Now, let me draw the same thing here on the chart, just to make it easier for you guys to see what's going on. Let's see. So now a bit of a downtrend over here. You know, of course, I could draw the support line here, just so you guys can see. So also sort of a symmetrical triangle thing going on here, where, you know, we could see it catch its, if it breaks as low as here, we'll see it catch on this uptrend line. But, you know, I think that for Litecoin now, we have some support levels, like I said, right? We want to see it hold this sort of, to be honest, it already broke the $60 mark today. So now 59 would be the support level. Otherwise, you know, it's sort of this whole, let's see. Yeah, basically we have broken through some support levels now, that $60 mark, so we could see it fall back down below that now. You know, at this point, it's going to be a bit hard to say, but basically I would say we want to see it hold this middle band, right? I definitely don't want to see, I mean, like, it could hit this uptrend line, which would be fine as well, right? We definitely don't want to see it break that. But if it does end up hitting this middle band, which seems definitely possible and almost likely at this point, I want to make sure that it bounces off nicely off that, okay? But otherwise, it is now stuck in a bit of a triangle formation, so we're going to have to see where it breaks, right? And, you know, now like I said, the MACD is flipping over on this as well. Ethereum already flipped over, so definitely a pullback should happen here for, you know, the general crypto market based on the main three here. Now, Ripple, finally, like I said, I was going to do Ripple. Let's see. So, very range bound here over the past couple of days, right off the bat. Now, we still are uptrending on the, let's see, on the RSI. So, like I said, we want to make sure it holds this RSI uptrend that it has going on right now. Hopefully bounce off that if it goes lower. Now, as far as the MACD goes, we are officially going to test this orange line over here. So basically the MACD could flip over, which, you know, isn't great. That's definitely a change of trend and not something you want to see happen, but it's looking likely, right? The histogram is almost about to flip over as well. So, you know, that's going to be something to pay attention to. See if it can bounce off the MACD, but if it doesn't, you know, crossover looks likely at this point. Now, it seems to have bounced off the middle band for now, right, over the past couple of days and today as well. So we'll see if it can hold that. That would definitely be a good sign. But, you know, at this point, what you have to be looking at is the fact that, look at where this middle Bollinger Band is, right? It's pretty low. It's down at the sort of 18 cents area. And, you know, basically it has room to drop now. So the second that it breaks through that, it's probably going to drop back down to this lower area, which is, you know, 16. Yeah, probably could drop as low as 16 if it breaks this middle Bollinger Band. We'll find some support at the 20 cent area, of course, some pretty major support there. After that, we're going to be looking at this sort of 16 cent area, I would say, maybe even a bit lower than that. But, you know, first thing to look towards is is it going to break this middle Bollinger Band? So pay attention to that. If it does break this brown line over here, it'll have to find support at this 20-cent area, and after that 15 cents. So definitely don't want to see it go lower than 20 cents, I think, right? That would be pretty bearish. So yeah, unfortunately guys, today not looking the best for cryptocurrencies out there. A lot of red and a lot of pullback seems likely at this point. So we'll see how massive it'll be. Hopefully it'll be pretty tame, but you know, we're just gonna have to wait and see at this point. Otherwise, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this daily update video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency trading and investing videos. And I really appreciate you watching this video. And I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching, everyone.